I'm the VP of Client Solutions at Api.ai, and we are a developer toolset that enables anybody to create conversational interaction scenarios to deploy across platforms for a unified customer experience. We have a booth in the connected car space here, and we are showcasing our partnership with CloudCar, and they're featuring their integration of Just Drive into Jaguar Land Rover in the upcoming models. We're also showing off our developer console so that people can see how to very easily create natural language interaction scenarios in a matter of minutes. So we're involved in the connected car space because we're seeing that natural language interaction is extremely important in the head unit, and especially for the whole overall brand experience. You don't want to get into a car and be using a system that's been designed 2 to 5 years ago. You want it to be natural. You want to be able to talk to it like it's another human, conversational, and so it understands how you would talk to the passenger in the seat next to you. The future of the connected car is insanely exciting thing to think about, especially when we are able to combine voice interfaces with things like gesture control, voice authentication, and those types of things. So, for example, with our solution, you can also inject maybe the context. So maybe somebody says something and they also make some kind of gesture or look angry. Then maybe you have a response that's catered to that kind of interaction, the contexts that are active in that. So what we're going to find is that these can be extremely personalized and interactive for the humans with their cars. So it feels very natural and hopefully a lot less frustrating than all of the legacy systems that we're used to. Voice interaction in the car is extremely important and is absolutely going to revolutionize how people are interacting in the car over the next 5 years. Undoubtedly, it's going to make it so that you can just ask what you want to obtain. You can say something like, where should I park? Take me to AT&T Park. Where's the best place to park? Or bring me to Starbucks on El Camino. Or start playing this radio show on NPR. Or asking just in natural language of what you think you want to happen. We're going to be live in JLR cars in upcoming units, and what the main advantages of working with us rather than some other large players in this space are that we're seeing a lot of times if you want to create a voice interface, these auto manufacturers generally would have to go to one of these large companies, describe the interaction scenarios that they want to support, and then they have them implement it. It takes a long time, it's extremely expensive, they come back with them back to them with a black box. Rather than that, we are providing this whole developer console so that we're seeing that auto manufacturers and customers across verticals really want to have control over the user experience. It's the most important way that people are going to be interfacing with their technology. It's how they're going to judge your brand experience and all of that. So it's honestly, arguably, the most important aspect of the technology in the car. Future Connected Car has been great so far. I spoke this morning on bringing conversational interfaces to the in-car experience. We had a lot of interest, of course, a swarm of people afterwards, so it's been really great. We've had a great time at the show so far.